Create value in every networking situation. If you still end every coffee with, "How can I help you?" I would suggest to stop. You're doing all the work wrong. "How can I help you?" sounds nice, but it puts all the pressure on the other person to figure it out. Instead, get specific, like, "Who's your ideal client right now?" Or, "Are there any events you'd love an intro into?" Or, "I just met someone in this industry. Would an introduction be helpful?" Even better, listen during the conversation and offer something concrete without asking. Like, "You mentioned wanting to get in front of business owners. I know someone running a group that would be perfect for you. Want me to connect you?" That way is much more memorable than a vague, open-ended question. Make helping easy. The more specific you are, the easier it is for the other person to say yes. And that's how you create real value in networking conversations.